Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world, exploring the wonders of ecosystems, biodiversity, and environmental interconnections. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to delve into one of the most unique and vital ecosystems on our planet, mangrove forests. Mangrove forests are a type of coastal ecosystem found in tropical and subtropical regions, characterized by dense stands of mangrove trees and shrubs that thrive in salty, oxygen-poor waters. These incredible forests are not only home to a stunning array of plant and animal species, but also play a critical role in protecting coastlines from erosion, supporting commercial fisheries, and even mitigating the effects of climate change. The first mangrove species are believed to have originated over 60 million years ago during the Paleocene epoch, with fossil records showing that they've been a part of our planet's ecosystems for millions of years. From a scientific perspective, mangrove forests belong to the family Rhizophораceae, with over 80 different species spread across the globe. These trees have adapted to survive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth, with specialized roots that allow them to breathe in low oxygen conditions and waxy leaves that help conserve water. One of the key naturalists who contributed significantly to our understanding of mangrove forests is the 18th century botanist Joseph Banks, who first documented these ecosystems during his voyages with Captain James Cook. Since then, numerous researchers have built upon this foundation, uncovering the complex relationships within these forests and their importance in the global ecosystem. For instance, did you know that these ecosystems can store up to 50 times more carbon than equivalent areas of tropical rainforest? This makes them a vital component in the global fight against climate change. Additionally, mangroves have been shown to provide crucial nursery habitats for numerous marine species, including fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. In fact, studies have found that up to 75% of commercial fish species rely on mangrove forests as a critical part of their life cycle. Moreover, the intricate network of roots in mangrove forests helps to filter out sediments and pollutants from the water, maintaining the health of adjacent coral reefs and seagrass beds. For example, mangrove roots provide shelter and food for countless animals, while the trees themselves help to stabilize shorelines and prevent erosion. The complex network of relationships within these forests is a perfect example of symbiosis in action. However, mangrove forests are facing numerous threats, including deforestation, pollution, and climate change, which can have devastating consequences for both the forests and the communities that depend on them. In fact, it's estimated that up to 35% of the world's mangrove forests have been lost over the past few decades, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts. One of the most significant challenges facing mangrove forests is the impact of human activities, such as coastal development and aquaculture. For instance, the construction of seawalls and jetties can disrupt the natural flow of sediment and nutrients, causing erosion and damage to mangrove habitats. Additionally, pollution from agricultural runoff, sewage, and industrial waste can have devastating effects on these ecosystems, causing die-offs of mangrove trees and the loss of biodiversity. However, there are also many examples of successful conservation efforts, such as the restoration of mangrove forests in countries like Indonesia and the Philippines, which have not only helped to protect these ecosystems, but also provided livelihoods for local communities. By understanding and appreciating the complex relationships within these forests, we can work towards protecting and preserving them for future generations. So, take a moment to reflect on the importance of mangrove forests and the lessons they teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.